Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to store 50 plus GB data in cloud storage with the help of Mega Cloud Storage and File Hosting Server offered by Mega Limited. And this service offers as a primary through web-based application. Mega mobile applications also available for the Windows Phone, Android and iOS, as well as Mega is known as largest 50 GB storage allocation for the free every account. So let's start how to deal with this 50 plus storage account creating. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So now open your Google and just type here mega.nz, and then first link is coming, so click that link, and this is a website portal. You can directly install the application on your Android or iOS mobile. So here select your language, which language you suitable, and now here options are come create account. So I click there and just type here research rocks and type here email account research rock9@gmail.com and password, entering and password, some capital letter, some numbers or some special characters. Great. And please check your email account. The confirmation about open my Gmail account, you need to verification of this email address is correct or not. So I confirm the verification. Now this account is confirmed. Now I'm putting my password, which password I am entering, creating time. So perfectly portal is now is logging. Some always free space 50 GB storage, free limited 400 GB means as a euro 4.5 euro per month, as a you can store 400 GB, 10 euro 2 TB, 20 GB 8 TB, 20 euro 8 TB, accordingly which storage space you suitable. So I go with as a free space, and I can download directly in my desktop. Applications also available, like I can directly install this application and use. Also my computer system, same options come in Windows and Linux also. So let me go directly and cloud, because I have strong internet. This is a key of backup storage key, no thanks, no remember. So now I'm upload the file here. So here several options are there. You can create here new folder, file upload or folder upload. So I can make here new folder research rocks, create. I can upload here my research rocks video. Suppose for example I open this folder and this folder is empty, file upload. So I select the file, and here my YouTube channel videos, 2 videos are available. I can directly upload in that platform here. So this video is for 44 MB and this video is a 150 MB. So both video I am uploading here. I can upload here 50 GB my videos. It's amazing actually, and I can use anywhere. I can download anywhere in this video. I can share the link with my friends also on this videos. Suppose again I'm going to this, you can fill your date of birth, company and rest of information available here. You can add your mobile number and get 20 GB extra space in cloud server. For this is a QR code. You can use this QR code and access easily in this particular your account related information. So this is a research rocks folder. So now I'm giving you one more demonstration. I can upload here movies, web series and share with my friends. So suppose for example this is research rocks video. I can directly get the link and share the link also. Suppose I upload here directly, I folder uploading, and then I upload the folder here. So this is Game of Thrones season 1 and directly I upload here. So this is a big amount of size, need to take time, and after finish the season I can share with my friend or family of this particular movie or any related web series. So I get the link, create, agree, and thus I copy this link and share with my friend like this. I'm going to Gmail account. So now I'm pasted here, and he easily open this one link, click this link, and easily access my both videos directly. This video is YouTube related, but here you can upload any kind of information, huge amount of information or huge amount of storage information, and everyone very easily access those information. You can upload here your project related data or any kind of information, and it's absolutely free. It's amazing features. And here overall storage, my overall storage is 50 GB. Just I am using 303 MB. Cloud drive available in 99 MB. Some informations are available here. You can use create account, join your Gmail account and access anywhere and share your data, videos, movies using this mega.ng using the software. You can find out this link in my description. So hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind.